Have you ever had a day where you feel like you have zero wisdom? Well, today we're gonna make a zero wisdom. So if you watched my first live the other night, you know my buddies Matt from Whiskey Wisdom and Adam from Major Zero were on the live with me. Well, we had a great time. Party just kept kind of going. And a whole bunch of fun things came out of it. And this is one of those things. Adam decided that he wanted to do this blend and he asked Matt to do it. Matt swore it'd be the worst blend ever. Now, reluctantly, Matt still did it. But this blend consists of Stag and this Lafrogue Select, however you pronounce that correctly. So today, we're gonna recreate that drink because Matt swore it was the best drink he has ever had. Or I should say, the best blend he has ever had.
Damn, that is good.
Now, when trying to get the details on how to make this drink, they're a little bit fuzzy.
Fuzzy.
Adam says it's an 80-20 blend. Matt says he put mostly Stag with a splash of it. So I want to try it both ways, see which way is better. So I need to open up these bad boys and let's get going. The first one I'm going to make is the 80-20 blend. So it's going to be 80% of Stag. Trying to be pretty precise on that. And then 20% of this. And then we're going to pour that into this glass. So the second one's going to be more of a kind of a play with it, right? I'm going to do 60, which is 2 ounces. With just a splash. And let's go ahead and put these to the side for a second. So here we have both of them. This is the measured 80-20. And this is the mostly Stag with just a splash of it. Splash! Yeah, so on this one, of course, the scotch comes out a lot clearer. You smell that up front, so it smells nice and smoky. And then on the second one, you just get a little hint of smoke. Now, I think what I need to do is actually drink this one first and then drink this one so I don't overpower my taste buds with that. So let's go in for the first drink. Cheers, Matt and Adam. Wow, that is good. That's my first drink for the day. Hitting my palate. Get a little hint of that smokiness at the end, but pretty good. Now let's go in for the measured 80-20 that Adam suggested. You smell a lot more smokiness on that. Definitely very different, both of them.
Yeah, very different.
A lot more of the Lafrogue, however you say it, stands out in this one, but it's very nice. It's not overpowering. You taste the Stag, you get that smokiness, you get that like this little bit of light peatiness in this, but it's very good. What I want to do really quickly is rinse my mouth and kind of taste it back the other way. Here we go, round 2. Still smells good. That time, this actually stuck out a little bit more, and a lot more of that up front, but you still get the nice bourbon taste in there. Now that time, the Stag definitely stood out a lot more. Don't taste as much of this. So it probably needs just a tiny bit more of this. I'm naming this. They never came up with a name. They kept asking about different names for this. But because it was both of them together, pushing this forward, I'm gonna name it Xero Wisdom. Cheers, my friends, until our next journey.